What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're just gonna do an unboxing. I finally got my exhaust. I got the Yonaka exhaust for my Civic. I don't know if you guys remember, but my car doesn't have an exhaust. Basically it's got like a mid pipe. That's about it. So let's open this up and let's see what it looks like. Alright, so it's actually pretty cool. I got a free t-shirt, got some stickers, white and a black, nice little welcome to the family. Of course it's got a Civic on there, and a license plate frame. So it basically comes with, it's a full catback exhaust that I got. And it even comes with the gaskets and all the hardware that I need. So without further ado, let's dive into this and let's see what this bad boy looks like. Alright, so I got everything unboxed and everything. So basically this is going to be the mid pipe, and then this is going to hook up to the muffler by the axle back. Honestly, you really can't tell, but she's a big exhaust. The only reason I really got this is because my buddy Christian, that's got an EK Civic, he's got it on his, and I love how it sounds. So that's basically the reason why I got this, and it took about 3 months to finally ship to my house. I ordered it in November and it finally came in February. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys just a quick unboxing of the exhaust and everything, and I am going to keep on going with the rust stuff. I did buy some of this. It's Rust-Oleum Rust Dissolver. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and spray it where the exposed metal is that's still got some rust on it, and then I'll be able to finally get that all prepped and everything and actually weld up a little piece so I can put everything back together and hopefully drive it by springtime or whenever it gets nice out. But yeah, can't wait to actually install this exhaust. Been waiting months for it, so super happy. Hope you guys are, excited to see what this thing sounds like, because right now it's straight piped and it's not fun. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.